How to fix the camera not working on your laptop or computer. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your start menu, search for the word settings and click on this window here. In the left hand side, click on privacy and security, then scroll down and click on camera. Make sure camera access is turned on and enabled. Make sure let apps access your camera is also turned on and enabled. And then for this list of applications, make sure the app that you're trying to use the camera on is also turned on. So for example, I have Microsoft Teams here, and this is currently switched off, so I'm just going to turn it on like so. And once you've done that, you can close out of this window. Now the next step is to open up the start menu, search for device manager, and then click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to cameras, and you should be able to see your camera from this list. Now if you don't see your camera here, then just click on view and select show hidden devices. Now once your camera shows up, you need to right click on it, click on uninstall device, and then just press uninstall. Now once this has been uninstalled, you can right click on cameras, select scan for hardware changes, and now that should have fixed your camera issue. If it's still not working, there may be a button on your physical keyboard that enables and disables the camera. This is typically one of the F keys, maybe F9, F10, or F11. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.